Today, I'll be showing you guys how to do cloud nail art. These are the tools you will need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You're going to start by painting your nails blue. Now, you will take your bobby pin or dotting tool and make clouds. Follow me on Instagram. Check out the cards at the top of the video and the videos on the end screen. Take the gel polish and put it under the clouds to make the rain. Now cure the raindrops for 60 seconds. Depending on the gel polish you use, it should be dry. And this is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.